3 days to SEMA 2023, Las Vegas. Let's go. Kenny, what's that thing about good plans and something else? Well, you plan and then everything goes to shit, basically. That's exactly what has happened over here at Nomadic Cooling for SEMA 2024. Electrical system in the green machine, touchscreen in the green machine, AC in the green machine, check, check, check. Wrap on the green machine, check, check, check. All ready to go. Awning on the green machine, boom, ready to go. Green machine breaks down on the way back to Phoenix. Green machine, currently 3 days to go to SEMA, is broke down in the middle of New Mexico. You know what they say about great plans? Things go to shit, Kenny. We're trying to keep the spirits high. So we have 3 days. Our friends over at Luxury Auto Collection in Scottsdale, Arizona, who, by the way, I just was over there, have a brand new beautiful facility, Kenny. I mean, it's just immaculate. They said, hey, John, don't fret. You can use one of our rigs. Just get it dialed in before SEMA. So here we are, 3 days to go, and we are dialing in this beautiful rig for SEMA. We're gonna have some of our new products on it. Not all of them, because as you know, we're not prepared for SEMA, apparently, for 2024. Would have been amazing. We are at SEMA 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada. The biggest car show, there's horns going off, the biggest car show in America. Is it the biggest car show in the world? I don't know these things, Kenny. All I know is that we wanted to make it to the big show, and here we are, Las Vegas. Nomadic Cooling has made it against all odds. This is a huge 40 by 40 booth, I believe, over here at SEMA 2023. It may look empty because we don't have the big green machine, but we did the best that we could, Kenny. Let's go through the numbers a little bit about what it takes to get to SEMA. This booth, this spot right here, $30,000. Kenny, I didn't say three, I said $30,000. And then you have airfare, car, transportation, insurance. Kenny, the carpet for the floor, they wanted to rent it for 4 days for $4,000. We're not about that life, Kenny. We brought our own carpet, and then we didn't bring the right size. That's what happens over at Nomadic Cooling. You know, we can't tell different dimensions. But what we're doing is we're making it work. All told, this 4 days costs our tiny little company probably about $70,000 to be over here at SEMA. Now, I hope it's worth it. Our goal here is to show people our brand new cold air technology. And not only do we have the rooftop X3 on the vehicle behind me, we also have our brand new no idle AC built into the touchscreen display of this vehicle, which means that the second AC also runs when the vehicle is not running, okay? Kenny, did you hear me there? Not one AC, two ACs. Both of them work when the vehicle isn't running. This is the perfect application if you want to cool down your vehicle before you get in it in a hot Phoenix day, or if you would like to, I don't know, keep your pets cool while you're on the road. That's why I'm in the cold air technology space. Kenny, would you mind doing a little walk and talk with me? There's a lot going on here, but let's introduce some people. Okay, behind me, we have our marketing department, okay? It's true that people don't come to SEMA to see the old van genius, the old Jonathan Mark from Nomadic Cooling. They actually come to see the beautiful marketing personnel. So let me introduce you real quick. All right, Kenny, behind me, we have two well-trained, highly trained expert marketing individuals. We have Lauren and Sarah. You are?
Lauren.
Lauren. You are Sarah?
Hannah.
Hannah,
yes.
I got everybody. I was told Lauren. This is upsetting. First time at SEMA?
Yes.
Yes, are you guys having a good time?
So much fun.
It just started. I gotta be honest, it becomes a very long day talking to people. Very nice to meet Sarah and Hannah over here. This is Kenny, not Hannah.
Lauren was right.
Lauren was right.
Hannah.
Hannah.
Yeah. Bye, Sarah.
Kenny, I gotta be.
You can call us anything.
I gotta be.
Sarah.
I gotta be honest with. This is my dyslexia kicking in, Kenny, or just my little brain. I'm not exactly sure. Okay. Name badges. Mary, we need name badges next time. Mary.
Here. It's just right around my neck, and it says my name.
Lauren and Hannah. Mary, let's move on from me being scolded. Let's meet our national sales director, Craig. How's it going so far? It just started.
The show has been amazing.
Already amazing?
Oh my God.
Amazing is a strong word.
It is. I mean, we've had a lot of people, a lot of traffic. It's a lot of interest in it. The red van really brings people over. And
Red was a good choice.
I told people, look, the air conditioner is $250,000, but we'll throw a van in for free.
That's what we do. We've got Mary over here. You planned this whole debacle, didn't you? You put the whole thing together.
Yes.
Okay, did I do anything to get this done?
Yes, you showed up about 30 minutes ago.
Okay, so I showed up right on time, Kenny. Okay, Kenny, you and I were doing very important things. We had coffee. We talked. We planned this whole thing out. You may think that this is ad lib, but we planned this out. Okay.
Well,
I'm going to tell you a story. Bruce told me their name's wrong.
that sounds about right.
Okay, so I went in there to say the name's right, and Bruce screwed me.
They
Okay.
have name tags.
I
Names are
can't
on the
read,
name tag.
Mary. You know I'm not a good reader. Okay.
There's name tags.
But look how small it is, Mary Kincannon. So Mary, this is our very first SEMA.
Yes.
This is a big deal for Nomadic
It's a very
Cooling.
big deal.
We are a little company trying to make it in a big bad world.
Yes.
Okay? Are we nervous?
Not at all.
Are we scared?
Not at all.
Are we unprepared?
Always.
Completely
Absolutely.
unprepared to
Yes.
be here. Do we have marketing material?
We do.
Do we have enough?
Yes.
We do.
No.
No,
Yes.
we don't. Snacks?
We do not. On
Kenny?
a company card.
She has a company card. Price is no limit. Okay,
No, it
whatever
is
you
not.
want from the Dunkin' Donuts, Mary. It's on the
Been
company.
there, done that. I have a receipt. Don't even worry about that.
Eric, we have a receipt coming your way.
Receipt.
Bruce came to the big show. Okay, he's over here. He's ready to go. Bruce is from Jerk Engineering, not spelled G-U-R-K, right?
Right.
Okay. By the way, you sent me the marketing ladies' information with their names.
Yes.
You said don't fuck up the names.
Right.
You gave me the wrong names.
I did not.
You did. You said Sarah.
What's your name?
It's not Sarah. I just got scolded over there. Okay. I got it all wrong. And not only that, they were upset about it because they said you can read.
Set you up.
You set me up. And yes, you did.
Name?
I'm not telling you. Jerk Engineering, okay, he specializes in not fluid dynamics, but metal dynamics. What is jerk?
Jerk is the rate of change of acceleration.
The
it's all
rate
about movement.
of change of acceleration. Now, I picked up the tire carrier that was on here before. We're not going to tell you the name. Yours was at least half the weight. At least.
Close.
What is the weight of your tire carrier?
It's 18 pounds.
18 pounds, all aluminum, all made in the US, all welded, machine shop. And you are not a guy that just said one day, I want to make tire carriers. You are an engineer.
Engineer.
And the products that you saw in the market, because I'm sort of in the van space, was driving you nuts.
Driving me crazy.
Driving you crazy. Not just the price, the weight, the quality of the build, and you thought it
And
could be done
options.
better.
The options. There should be more options.
There should be more options.
So Johnny's correct. I own Jerk Engineered Products, Jerk Engineering, and approach this from an engineering perspective. I wanted to make something that was light. I wanted to make something that was versatile. I wanted to make options for what gets bolted onto the back of Sprinter vans. Focused on Mercedes. We have a development for both Ford and Dodge, and we'll have all this product line for all three. But right now we're at a Mercedes. So the first product was the rear tire carrier. It's called the X-Rack. I designed this. It was designed in AutoCAD. So we did a finite element analysis on the rack to determine where we are with stress and strain when this is under use. You put a pretty heavy tire and wheel on this, and you hit bumps and potholes, and that sends the forces out to your connection points. 180-degree hinges, 270-degree hinges, it doesn't matter. You don't have to replace your hinges to use this product. This is our mule back product. Covers the full back of the door of this van. It's also contoured to the shape of the van. You can put whatever on there. You can put a couple bikes. You can put a bike this way. You can put a couple boxes, tall box. Whatever you can dream of, you can put on the back of it. A hinge handle still operates, so you don't have to have holes here. You can use the product to cover the entire back of the van. And we're innovating. We're always creating something that we listen to the customer, we figure out what they need, figure out what they're doing with their vans, and then we make products to assist in them, enjoying motion, enjoying being away. I'm Bruce with Jerk Engineered Products, jerkengineered.com and Jerk Engineering. You can Google us. All of this is on the website. We're out of Denver, Colorado. All of this is designed, manufactured, welded, fabricated, and shipped from Denver, Colorado. Everything's local. Even the aluminum is made in the United States, so this is all USA built. And you can find us online at jerkengineered.com, and we'll throw it back to Jonathan, Nomadic Cooling.
I got to look down here. You're here.
I can see your AC if I raise it.
Okay, so you're here.
Yes.
The AC's up there.
Yes.
But it's all black everything today, Kenny. So we got black on black on black. You can't see the AC up there because we don't have the lights. Can you like get in there and show it a little bit? It's up there. Where is it? It's right there. Oh, there's our AC. It looks beautiful. Kenny, can you B-roll to like what a white one looks like? How it's flat, and if you're tall, you won't hit your head on that. Oh, there it goes. There. God, I can't do it. Where is it? That is the Nomadic Cooling X3 12-volt AC running off one 200 amp hour Victron lithium battery. Now what we also have is we have the brand new split system extraordinaire 30,000 to 60,000 BTUs, 12 volt, 24, 48 volt, 18 cc compressors all the way up to 34 cc compressors for the cooling that you need. Evaporator is above the driver's seat, condenser is under the vehicle. Everything is wired on into the touchscreen so it works all day, every day, Kenny. Kenny, this is the future. The Nomadic Cooling X3 and the X2 are flush mount inside the vehicle. This is a seamless transition up here. If you're tall, you're not hitting your head in here. And as people know on the internet, I'm at least 6'4". Would you say? About 6'4", okay? And I don't even hit my head on this at all, so that's perfect. The other thing is right behind this TV, there is air vents right here that come out of the evaporator. There's two here. There's one here, and they go all the way down the side of the vehicle to the back. Originally, the way that this vehicle was manufactured, the engine had to be running for this air conditioner to work. Okay, let's repeat that. If you were in this vehicle, the only way to run the AC is the engine had to be running. I've seen people camp in these and run the engine all night just to keep cool in here. That's a thing of the past. We're not doing that anymore. We put a fully electric compressor in line with the evaporator and the condenser. I have a touchscreen right here that controlled the original air conditioner that was engine driven. Okay, we've taken that whole system, put in our system right here. Now it is fully electric. So now the compressor, the condenser, the fans that you probably just heard behind you all turn on. The engine is not running. Let me repeat that. Engine not running. This is a complete DC off-grid AC system for a vehicle. Think of the applications for this. Is that fan too high for you, Kenny?
Nope.
Let's go ahead and turn that down a little bit. If you have a tool truck, a limousine, a dog grooming business, we can give you 30 to 60,000 BTUs on a 12, 24, or 48 volt electrical system to keep you cool in your rig without the engine driven and without taking up valuable roof space. I mean, is the future now? I mean, Elon Musk is out there doing robots and cars, but Kenny, what we're doing over here is more important than that. We are doing a little something called cold air technology. And the future is now. We have it here, off-grid AC, 30 to 60,000 BTU. And by the way, as you know from the earlier part of this video, we did this whole retrofit, this whole rig, building it out in exactly 3 days. That's what we do. We're quick, super fast, quickest in the world. I got nothing else.
Danny, we roll.
Is this how behind the scenes looks on the YouTube channel?
This is how it goes. Yeah.
So YouTube is here right now.
Yeah, we're here.
Oh,
we're doing
shit.
it, man. Came over, said, love your videos. You do a great job. I was like,
I
wow.
say you do a
Fantastic job. You said
Not
amazing content. I go, oh, you really watch our videos? He goes, yeah, I'm kind of a van nerd. I'm building a van out right now.
Van geek, but
okay, same thing. Definitely now moved into the geek section. Okay. I go, well, did you get our AC? He goes, no. I got it. Loves our videos. Thinks we have a better air conditioner.
Subscribe to your videos.
Subscribe. I haven't seen any comments. I would like to see, I keep telling everybody, taller in real life.
Taller in real life.
Younger and more intelligent.
I've commented on some videos.
Okay.
I love van life on YouTube.
Kenny, is there comments? Can this be confirmed? If not,
I'm going to go hide in the corner and just start going nuts.
Excuse me, you're building your own van.
Yes.
Okay, you are at the end of the van build process.
Uh-huh.
Would you say that you should have just bought a van? Cost-wise, let's look at the cost of what it took to build this van.
Well, I've cheated Disco and bought a kit. So this is going to be my third build, and I bought a kit.
You bought a kit?
So
van in a box?
Van in a box.
Okay. Was it still a lot of work?
Yeah, it kind of sucked.
Okay. This is what I always ask people. It's like, okay, so if you're building a van, or should you just go out and buy a van? Now, buying a van, super expensive. You got these 9% interest rates right now, 12% with bad credit, okay? Not great credit. Okay, that payment is monstrous on a brand new van.
It is.
But I'll also tell you, I don't think you can build a van cheaper than they can sell you a van. I just don't know if it's possible. Now, you're not gonna get the van that you necessarily like, but I think a lot of people go into it, they look at the prices and they go, fuck, that's a lot of money.
Plug and play though, it's done.
How much would you gather you're into your van for with a kit, everything, electrical, that not so great air conditioner? Well, what would you say?
I would say, so it was a ProMaster 2500, 2023, which got a 50K. And then the kit, I would say all said and done with all the accessories, 75, 80K, and I got pretty bare bones kit.
Like pretty bare bone.
Like REI style, you know, just wood look, no leather, no fabrics.
So we're in a bare bones
75,
ProMaster. We're in it for $85,000. Van life, living down by the river, as they used to say,
ocean,
down by the ocean.
Oh,
Jersey.
now.
That's why he's got so much spunk in him. Okay, the Jersey boys. Okay,
technically Philly, but
technically Philly. But here's the thing, guys: building a van may not be as cost effective as buying a van. You'll have to look at it. The other thing to note: if you don't have a lot of time to research all the components,
100%.
Sometimes you could luck out and get the wrong stuff, even if it's at a great deal.
The two prior vans, the time you've wasted, lumberyard trips, Lowe's trips, Home Depot, like, if you have the coin, just get it done. Because then all the weekends you're gonna do building this, getting in arguments with your better half, kicking the dog, it's done. Now you can just go explore on your weekends and not be in your driveway building. Okay, so my first two van builds, I had the fan. We'll just say the fan, just normal, good old fan. East Coast, very hot, humid summers. I mean, you know, it's hot by you as well. So having a fan, if it's hot as shit out, really doesn't matter. I don't care. It doesn't. Even if you put two, you want AC. It's going to make the dog happier. It's going to make whoever you're traveling with happier. Especially if you're going to be working as you travel, not just going for a long weekend. If you're going for weeks at a time, office on wheels. It's not that much more of an AC versus the fan, 12 volt. Go for the AC. 100% all the time. I've learned a lot over the builds.
3 builds, you learn a lot.
3 builds. This build, it's AC, no more fan. Just, I want it cold when it's hot.
From Jersey with a bad attitude, I appreciate you not buying our cold air technology, but I hope you do go further, kind sir.
I will.
In comfort. It's been a pleasure.
Keep up the great work, boys.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Kenny.
Hey, that was fun, Kenny. You see how I told him to go further without me? We have the EcoFlow at 48 volt that runs a Nomadic Cooling X2 air conditioner on display over here. So that 48 volt EcoFlow runs the AC, it'll run your grill and your 12 volt appliances, and it takes 110 shore power into the 48 to power up your entire vehicle. If you're somebody that doesn't like to read instructions, I know there's lots of you out there, I've met you, okay, I don't like instructions myself either. It is a plug and play electrical system that you don't have to know too much about electricity. All of the other electrical systems, say they're better, let's say they're worse, I don't know. You just have to read more instructions. And if you know that's not you, maybe the EcoFlow is for you. Maybe that's their new marketing tagline. If you don't like to read, buy an EcoFlow. We also have our Segway holder from Alterax. It was supposed to go on the front of the green machine to hold the Segway. But as you know, as I may have mentioned, Kenny, we don't have a green machine here, so it's just sitting on the floor. Pretty upset about that. I wanted to have it prominently displayed on the zombie apocalypse vehicle, but this was the best I could do. But if you want to check out that company, Alterax, check out all the cool products that they sell over there for your bike rack and your Segway needs. If you want to go further, faster on a Segway, on a tire hitch, Kenny, Alterax is your kind of people. If you're coming by SEMA, if you're stopping, if you're in the area, if you're flying in on your jet skis, if you're taking a bus down here to SEMA, however you're getting here, Kenny, stop by old Nomadic Cooling. We'd love to see you, and we would love you to go further in comfort with Nomadic Cooling.